Would you like to create a product that can generate passive income for years to come in less than 10 minutes? Do you want an easy way to create this product without the need for any software, specific skills, or talent? Whether you're using your phone or PC, we've got you covered. You can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a device and an internet connection. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create the easiest low-content book ever. As you can see, it literally has blank white empty pages, which means you don't need any designing or technical skills. So trust me, you'll be amazed at how quick and effortless it is to create the sketchbook. But hold on a second before we get started. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever come across a channel that has just one demo video but manages to gather 1,000 subscribers?
I have the answer to that. It's our affiliate marketing channel, AmplyCash.
That's right. And that's why we are celebrating this milestone by providing you with this full tutorial video. Plus, we will soon be starting to publish on it, so make sure to secure your spot. In collaboration with our affiliate marketing channel, AmplyCash, we're going to show you how to create and also sell these books to make money while you sleep. This is going to be incredible. All you have to do is follow along with me. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of make money online. There are several types of low-content books, and Sketchbook is one of them. And in my case, I will target kids, specifically girls, as they usually enjoy drawing and sketching. However, I will provide you with a list of different low-content book types and their targeted audience in the description. This way, you can choose one and follow the tutorial to come up with your own unique idea and make sales on Amazon by selling these books. The best part is that you can sell these books on Amazon without needing to hold any inventory, invest any upfront money, or have a university degree or prior experience. It's an accessible opportunity for anyone willing to take it. For the creation process, we will be using BookBolt. This platform will guide us through the entire process of creating the book. Once the book is ready, we can upload it to Amazon KDP for free and start making sales. Step 1. Doing the research. After logging into BookBolt, navigate to the dashboard and click on the cloud icon located on the left side. This will allow us to access the best low-content books that are selling well on Amazon KDP. This platform offers free self-publishing options for ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcover books. If we choose to sell a paperback or hardcover book, Amazon KDP will be responsible for the printing and shipping of our books. First, click on the category section and choose Sketchbook from the drop-down menu. Then on the left side, click on Search by Bestsellers and select a range, such as the top 100 or top 500. In this case, let's go with the top 300. Click the Search button, and BookBolt will display the top 300 best-selling sketchbooks on Amazon, using the Amazon KDP platform. However, it's important to avoid copying the top 3 or 5 sellers, as many others will be attempting to imitate them. So I will scroll down and explore other options. I've found these 2 sketchbooks that I like and would like to create something similar to them. One of them was published in 2016 and has continued to generate sales. In fact, it sold 255 times last month at a price of $6.99. If we multiply the price of $6.99 by the number of sales, which is 255, we see that this fantastic sketchbook made over $1,700 in revenue in the last 30 days. Can you imagine the potential earnings if you have 10 of these incredible sketchbooks? That's a mind-blowing $17,000 per month. The best part is that you only need to create the content once. The second sketchbook I came across was published in 2022, and it's still going strong. It made an impressive 252 sales just last month. This goes to show that the method we're discussing is still highly effective today. When it comes to selling these sketchbooks, the best part is that you don't have to spend any money up front. Listing your books on Amazon is completely free. And when a customer places an order, they cover the printing and shipping costs. Amazon takes its cut, and you are left with your profit, which is 60%. The amount of money you can make is up to you and your efforts. Now, let's dive into finding the right keywords to optimize your book's visibility on Amazon. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a key icon. Go ahead and click on that. Then, click on Search. In the search box, type in Sketchbook to get a better idea of what people are searching for in the world of sketchbooks. Scroll down the list and keep an eye out for keywords with high search volume and low competition. For now, let's focus on the high search volume, as we'll check the competition using Amazon itself. For example, the keyword Art Sketchbook for Girls has a good search volume on Amazon. Let me select it and copy it, and now we can head over to Amazon to dig deeper. As you can see, it shows over 50,000 results for this keyword alone, indicating quite a bit of competition. But don't worry, we can always go back to BookBolt and find another keyword that strikes the perfect balance of search volume and competition. Alright, this time let's go with the keyword cat sketchbook for girls. I'll paste it into the Amazon search bar and see what we find. This one seems to have less competition compared to the previous keyword. It's always a good idea to explore different keywords and aim for those with less than 1,000 results to increase our chances of standing out. Now let's head back to BookBolt and scroll up to click on the arrows icon twice. This will help us sort the keywords by search volume. Let's continue our search for another keyword or a specific niche. How about dress sketchbook for girls? Let's give that a try. Nice, this keyword shows fewer results, which means less competition. Let's keep exploring. How about puppy sketchbook for girls? This keyword is more specific, targeting girls interested in puppies. Let's head back to Amazon, paste it into the search bar, and hit enter. Fantastic! There are only 347 results. This keyword is really good, so let's go with it. This particular keyword has over 3,200 monthly search volume and only 347 results on Amazon. It's a fantastic keyword to target as it combines a decent search volume with low competition. With this keyword, we have a great chance of getting our sketchbook in front of the right audience. Now that we've found our target keyword, let's move on to the next step. Step 2, creating the sketchbook. To get started, let's click on Research on the top left side, and then select Create from the drop-down menu. Choose BookBolt Studio. From here, click on the Create a Project button. For the project type, I will keep it as paperback, cover, and interior. Paperback refers to the binding style of the cover, and it is the most popular and less expensive option. For the project name, I will use the keyword that I am targeting, which is puppy sketchbook for girls. Let's do that. For the size, you can see what others are doing on Amazon. This one is 8.5 inches by 11, so I will choose that size. I think this size is good for sketching and drawing. For the interior and paper type, I will stick with the first option. It is the less expensive one. Now let's talk about the bleed. Bleed refers to the area of a page where the content extends beyond the final trim size. It ensures that there are no white borders or unprinted edges when the final product is trimmed. So I will choose bleed for the pages, and I will type in 110 pages. And then click on the Create Project button. This is the template that we will be working on. I will hide the guides by clicking on here and check Hide Cover Template, then click OK. So the right side represents the front of the book, while the left side represents the back. On the left side, you can see the pages of the book. To add an image, simply click on the Image Library icon in the toolbar. A convenient pop-up window will appear, giving you multiple options for uploading images. You can directly upload images from your device by clicking the Upload Image button. Alternatively, you can use images from Pixabay or Unsplash, which offer a wide range of royalty-free images. Let's click on Pixabay and type in puppy in the search box to see what delightful options await us. Look at this adorable illustration. It's quite close to what we're looking for. Wait a minute, hold on. It turns out that this is the exact same dog image that's already featured on the previously published book. Well, that's quite a coincidence. In that case, I think we'll stick with this cute canine companion. Now let's make the image a bit bigger and ensure it's perfectly centered. It's important to keep in mind that your cover design should exceed this area, as Amazon KDP will cut it out accordingly. We want to avoid any unsightly white lines or gaps in our final cover. If you wish to change the background color, which represents the color of the book cover, start by deselecting the image. Simply left-click outside of it. Then click right here to access the colors window. Now let's click on the pipette icon, which allows us to select a color from the cover itself. This way I will choose a color from the design itself that matches this background color and click OK. Next, I will add text by clicking on the text icon here. I will choose the heading title option. I can change the font from here or type in the search box. I'm looking for something bubbly. How about this one? It's also nice, but I will go with bubblegum. I will change the text to something like playful puppies. I will change the color of the text by clicking right here. I want something that fits the background, so I think I will go with this one. Now let's focus on the interior pages. From the left side, I will click on the first page and then click on the template icon right here. In this window, you can see there are a lot of templates to choose from. If you want to create journals, music sheets, or any other type of low-content book, there are plenty of templates available. However, if you know what you want to create, you can simply search for it in the search box. Let's type in Sketchbook, and there are 2 variants. Let's click on that. As you can see, these templates have blank white pages, which is exactly what customers are looking for, a big white blank page to unleash their creativity. To keep the style, I will choose this rounded template from the top. I will click on the Select All button, and to deselect the cover, I will just click on it. Then, at the bottom, click Next. On this page, you can change the margins, the border radius, the stroke width, and the color. I will leave it as the default and click Submit. You can also add an image to the first page and apply the same change to all the pages. Let me show you how. Just click on the image icon and choose an image. I will look for something like a paw. I will make it small and place it in the corner like this. Remember that this is the area that will be cut, so I will place it around here. To apply these changes to all pages, I will right-click on it and choose Clone this page. In the pop-up window, click Select All and deselect the cover. It will ask if you are sure you want to apply this. Just click OK. On the left side, you can see that the changes are being applied to the rest of the pages. That's it. Just click Save, or if the autosave option is checked, it will automatically do that for you. And congratulations, you have just created your first sketchbook. Now, all that's left is to download our sketchbook. To do that, click on Download in the top left corner and choose the CMYK option. When you download the project to your device, BookBolt will give you an archive that contains 2 separate PDF files. One is for the cover, and the other is for the interior pages, which is what you need for Amazon. So let's do that. Click Download, and it's super fast, just a couple of seconds. Now it's done. It will download the archive to your device. Locate it on your device, open it, and you can see that it contains 2 PDF files. One contains the cover, and the second one contains the pages. I also like how the file size is super small, only 3 megabytes. That's very small for a 110-page sketchbook, which means you can make dozens of books without worrying about storage. All right, now that we have our fully customized sketchbook ready, let's not waste any time and proceed to upload our masterpiece to Amazon. Step 3, uploading the book to Amazon. All right, so for this part, I will let you girls show them what they can expect to see on our second channel, AmplyCash.
Oh yeah, let me handle this part then. Alright folks, so the first thing you need to do to upload your sketchbook to Amazon is to go to Amazon KDP and log in. If you don't have an account, do not worry, you can sign up right away. You do not need a business account nor to pay anything to get one. You can check the links in the description as we will share the link there when we create a video on how to create an Amazon KDP account for free. So head over to Amazon KDP and click on Create. From here, you have to select Paperback, as that is the book type that we just created on BookBolt. Click on Create Paperback. In the first section, you can select the language. In this case, I will keep it English. As for the book title, it says, Enter your title as it appears on the book cover. So I'm going to do just that. For the subtitle, I will go and see what the top sellers are doing on Amazon. Let's see this one. I will just copy this part as it has keywords that are good for ranking, and at the same time, they are telling the customer exactly what the book is. I will also add the main keywords, which is sketchbook. We can also go back to BookBolt in the Cloud section. Make sure you have chosen the right category, and you can search the top 100 sellers to see what they are doing with their titles, and gather other info that you want. Now let's go back to Amazon KDP, and I will jump to the author section. You can just put your first and last name if you want, or you can think about what you think suits what you're publishing. For example, on BookBolt, you can see they are providing names that present their brand. So what do you suggest, girl?
Let's name it Puppy Love Sketchbook.
Okay, that's a nice one. As for the description, in this section, you basically tell the customer the rest of the information like the book size and how many pages it has, why they should buy it, and so on. Moving on to the next section, make sure to check the box indicating that you are the copyright holder. For the primary audience, in my case, I will choose No. And for the categories, there is a tool in BookBolt called KDP Categories that will help you choose the category. I will click on it, and in the search bar, I will type in the keyword that I want to rank for and click Search. It will sort the categories by the most relevant, so I think I will go with the children's book suggestion. And for the subcategory, I will just go with this option. And of course, we will choose the low-content book option. For the keywords, you can choose up to 7 keywords, and this is a very important section. Make sure to fill in all the keyword fields, as this will help your book rank in the search. So for this, I will just go back to BookBolt, go to keywords, and then search. In the search bar, I will type in something like Sketchbook for Girls and hit search. I will see what keywords are relevant to the product I want to publish. I will scroll down and see. All right, I will select this one, copy it, and paste it here. And for the first one, I will just put the main keyword that I am targeting, which is Puppy Sketchbook for Girls. Then finally click Save and Continue. In the next page, just scroll down to the print options, and I will select the same options that you have selected when you were creating the book in BookBolt. For the interior paper and ink color, I will keep it black and white interior with white paper. For the size, I will change it by clicking on Select Different Size and choose 8.5 by 11. Then I will choose Bleed, and for the cover, it is up to you what to choose. In my case, I will keep it matte. Next, we will upload the interior content of the book by clicking this button and then navigating to the PDF file on your device. And now we need to upload the cover, so select the second option that says Upload a cover you already have. Click Upload and locate the file on your device. Once it is uploaded, scroll down and click the Launch Preview button. The system will merge all the files together. Once it is finished, you can preview your book. After you have reviewed your book and are happy with the result, you can approve it by clicking Approve. After you do that, scroll down to Proceed. Here, it will show how much it will cost for printing the book, and you will not have to pay anything. Amazon will deduct the printing cost when a customer makes a purchase. On the left is the summary of the book. Now click Save and Continue. On this last page, you can set the price. If you want to have an idea about the price, go to BookBolt and click on the Products section. Choose the right category, and in the search bar, paste in your targeted keyword and hit search. BookBolt will show you the lowest and highest price on Amazon. I will just go with $8.99. Amazon will calculate our profit, so in this case, every time someone buys this product, we will make $2.52. Lastly, click the Publish button, and that's it. It may take up to 72 hours for Amazon to approve it. Once they do that, the book will be published on Amazon. Okay, I've done my part, now it's your turn.
All right, thanks for the detailed explanation, girl. You nailed it.
Oh yeah, we make a great team.
No doubt, high five. Now let me take it from here and share an exciting 20% discount code we've brought for you guys. But first, let me explain. BookBolt offers a generous 3-day free trial for full members. You can enjoy the first 3 days with no payment required and only submit your credit card details on day 4. And it has 2 different plans to choose from. You can kickstart your journey as a newbie or take your publishing game to the next level as a professional. The newbie plan is only $9.99 per month, while the professional plan is $19.99. If you're ready to commit, you can save even more with the yearly plan. Just $89.99 for newbies and $199.99 for professionals. Plus, you can save even more with our discount code AmplyCash, so get ready to unlock your publishing potential with BookBolt. And there you have it, a complete video showcasing how you can create a product in less than 10 minutes that has the potential to generate you thousands of dollars per month for years to come. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And subscribe to Amply Commission. Check the description for all the important updates and additional resources. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.